Hi everyone, this is Roshan Rai, and today I'm going to show you how to convert your any waterfall image and any beautiful river image into video. Okay, let's get started. First of all, open up your Play Store and type here Pixaloop. Now you can see here Pixaloop, and this is the program. I already installed, that's why it's showing open. Click on open. This is the first interface. Now click on new project. Now I have already downloaded some waterfall image. If you don't have, go to Google Chrome and download it. You can type here beautiful river high resolution image. After that, select your favorite river image. Okay, this image is perfect. Now I'm going to download first this image and I will convert this image to video. Okay, I already download. Now open up your Pixaloop and click on new project and select your favorite image. Now here is nothing. Now I'm going to create some path. Click on path and select the loop area like this. Make like this path, loop path, and click on anchor and select non-loop area like this. Now I don't want to any loop here, that's why I'm going to select area like this. Okay, click on geometric 2 times and click on play. You can see that video. And click on speed and increase speed. Now you can see it's looking perfect. Wow. Oh, it's looking real waterfall. If you don't like this loop, you can change here. Now I recommend to use this blend. It's perfect. Okay. I hope this video very clear to you. If you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more updates. Okay guys, I see you in next video. Bye bye.